Hey guys, so today I am going to do a makeup challenge. Don't mind the background noise, my mom is watching live. As you can see, I'm holding sparkling water right here and I'm gonna do a makeup challenge. I think you've seen this makeup challenge in someone's video on TikTok. If I burp from the sparkling water soda, especially Sprite, I have to skip that makeup step. If I'm gonna do foundation and I burped from drinking this, I'm not gonna do any foundation. So let's get into it. So first, before we put on moisturizer, we're gonna drink 5 sips of sparkling water. Let's go. I'm actually an expert of not burping when it comes to sparkling water, because honestly it's not that bad. Anyway, I'm using the moisturizer Biotin, so we're gonna only put a little amount because you don't need a lot. By the way, this is my pre-shower makeup. If you know, you know. So pre-shower makeup is like doing the most obnoxious makeup look and then washing it off in the shower. So yes, don't mind if the foundation is lighter than my skin tone, because this is just pre-shower makeup. I would never wear this makeup look outside or in public. Next is primer. So I haven't burped yet, so that's good news. So let's drink 5 sips. There's something, so you guys can know that there's actually something in here. The primer. I'm using the primer from Face Lady. Just putting a little bit. It's actually warm on the face. Don't mind my pimple, okay? It's a lot. If you guys use brushes for your primer, what the heck? I bought this online from Shopee. Almost all my makeup products are from Face Lady. I don't know, they're just hyped up and they deserve hype. Like, it's really good. They're like affordable. The primer is set and done. Next is BB cushion from Face Lady, again in the shade Ivory. I think there's no shade in here, but I think it's in the shade Ivory. I got the 3rd shade. Yeah. So this is it. In the shade Ivory, I think. Okay. This is what it looks like inside if you guys are curious. Okay, I'm just gonna put foundation on her face. Wait. Actually, it doesn't show. What? But I swear to God, it's still light. It's a light shade for me. I don't think I'm ever gonna burp. I think I'm actually good at this game. Like, I don't feel tingles. Seriously. Okay guys, that was that. So since I just ate dinner and I'm literally so full from 15 sips of this, we're just gonna do 1 full sip, okay? Next, concealer from Face Lady, again. It's a color corrector from them, and the brush is also from Face Lady. God, I can't see anything. Hold on. Okay guys, I just borrowed my mom's old phone because I can barely see anything. But yeah, you can see my face texture, but look how nice my face looks. So the red one is for your dark circles, dark spots, whatever, just something dark. I burped I literally forgot. Okay, we're skipping concealer. Girl, I thought, akala ko galing ako dito, pero no. It's us too soon. Blush from, again, Space Lady in the shade 01. I'm gonna do one full sip again. I gotta control it, okay? I don't have any brushes. I only have concealer brush. Because I'm not really a fan. I'm not really used to, like, using brushes. Oh wait, I actually put too much. What? I'm not really a fan of doing brushes. I'm using brushes. I don't know where I should put it. I'm not really a fan of using brushes. That's why I just bought the concealer one, because I can't really seem to, like, oh my gosh, put too much. Did I take a sip? Yeah, I think I did. I can't really see anything. And on the nose, so that we can look like Rudolph. Perfect, I look so cute. Again, this is from Space Lady again, in the shade 01. God, you can see my texture. Next, powder, translucent powder. So let's do this. My classmates came out. That's okay, whatever. Look how pretty my face is. Aside from the pimples, okay? Guys. If I had no pimples, it's over for y'all. I swear. Next. I don't have eyeshadow, but I would love to add eyeshadow. So we're going to use this tint from YOU in the shade Red Velvet. So let's put some. We're going to again use the concealer brush. Do that. But we're going to have to be quick in blending it. Right here in our hands and just watch it. This is Red Velvet, okay? Next, mascara. Guys, I just realized I didn't take a sip. So we're gonna do two sips for mascara. Eyelash curler, God, I can't really see anything. Hold on. Oh, I think I need to do like another sip for mascara, because this is just eyelash curler. Don't mind the mess. I'm kind of lazy to clean that up, so don't mind it. This mascara is from the Falsies Lash Lift. I don't know where this is from. It doesn't really say. It just says the Falsies Lash Lift, which I don't really know where I got it. I just saw it in like the cosmetic stores. When you go in SM malls, there's just gonna be cosmetic stores, and you're just gonna ask what this is, where this is, and they're just gonna lead you to it. Oh shit. I think concealer was just not for me today. Oh shit. I keep forgetting to sip. Let's do eyeliner. Like I said, this is gonna be pre-shower makeup, so it's not gonna be perfect. So we're just gonna do whatever makes us happy. We're just gonna do this randomly at this point. I know it's not even, so just bear with me. Next is lips. The final project that we're gonna put on our face. This is lip gloss from Color Bomb in the shade Sangria. So let's take a big sip. We can do this. This is the only product left. We're just gonna use our fingers. That is the shade. Honestly, let's put concealer. We're gonna cheat a little bit for like brightening. I'm gonna use my nose like for highlighter because I don't have highlighter. I don't use highlighter that much. We're gonna use the lightest shade, which is the shade which is the shade Ivory. This is not my foundation shade. I think my foundation shade is different. I don't know. I think I forgot. I don't know. But I think my foundation shade was Ivory. I don't know. But we're gonna use the lightest shade. Girl, I just burped in my throat. But I don't think that counts. Right? I don't think that counts because I literally held it in. Okay? We're gonna use the shade for brightening. Oh my god, you see how that worked? Oh. She's sick. She's actually really sick. So we're gonna put in our inner corner. You can barely see that, but let's represent its highlighter. That's a lot. So we're gonna blend it out a little bit, okay? I'm gonna put some in here. And we're gonna put some on our... Well, that is light. Girl, this is the goofiest makeup look I've ever done. Anyway, guys, this is the final makeup look. Don't mind the mess behind me. I just got from school. But anyway, this is the final... What the frick? That's disgusting. This is the final makeup look. But anyways, guys, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay safe. Bye, everyone. Go stay hydrated because it's such a hot weather in the Philippines. So, bye, guys. I hope you have a nice day, afternoon, or night. Bye.